In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage your payment methods on Binance, specifically focusing on how to remove a payment method from your account. This process is important for ensuring your financial information stays up to date and secure. So, let's get started and take you through this step by step. First, you'll want to begin by logging into your Binance account, which you'll typically do through your preferred web browser. Enter your credentials carefully, ensuring you're accessing the official Binance website for security purposes. Once logged in, we're going to navigate to the section where you manage your payment methods. You'll look for the Buy Crypto button. It might also appear as Fiat and Spot, depending on your interface and any updates that may have rolled out on the platform. Click on it to reveal a menu with several options. From this menu, you're looking for something that says Payment Methods or Payment Settings. This is your hub for managing all the financial accounts linked to your Binance profile. It's always a good idea to familiarize yourself with this section. Keeping an eye on your payment methods can help you prevent unauthorized charges and manage which accounts or cards are connected to your profile. Once you've opened up the payment settings, you should see a list of all the linked payment methods, including any credit or debit cards, bank accounts, or alternative payment options you may have added. Review this list to identify which account or card you wish to remove. It's important to double-check and make sure you're removing the right one, especially if you have multiple similar entries. Next to each payment method, there should be a way to remove it, often represented by a delete, remove, or trash bin icon. This visual cue is usually straightforward to spot, and it's standard across most interfaces as a way to signify deleting something. Go ahead and click on this icon next to the payment method you've decided to remove. After selecting to remove it, Binance will likely prompt you with a security check. This could be anything from entering a two-factor authentication code to confirming your action through an email verification. This step is crucial because it adds an extra layer of security to your account, ensuring that even if someone else gains access to your profile, they can't arbitrarily make changes to your financial information. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete these security checks. Once you've confirmed and completed any necessary security steps, your selected payment method should be successfully removed from your account. It's a good habit to regularly review and update your payment methods to maintain security and ensure all linked accounts are ones you currently use. And there you have it. Keeping your Binance account up to date and secure is just that simple. Hopefully, this guide helps you navigate the process with ease. Thank you for watching, and make sure to subscribe for more helpful tutorials.